In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reCAPTCHA on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have basic spam protection set up on your storefront, helping to reduce fake signups, bot traffic, and junk form submissions without making things harder for real customers. Let's start from your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify account the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Shopify dashboard, where you can see an overview of your store, including orders, products, and recent activity. This is your control center, and from here, we'll navigate to the settings that control spam protection and reCAPTCHA. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Online Store. It usually sits under the Sales Channels section. Go ahead and click Online Store. This area controls everything related to how your storefront looks and behaves, including your theme, navigation, and some important preferences. After clicking Online Store, a submenu will appear beneath it. In that submenu, find and click on Preferences. This will open a page with a variety of settings that affect your storefront, such as your homepage title and meta description, tracking settings, and more. We're interested in the section dedicated to spam protection. Once you're on the Preferences page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Spam Protection. Depending on your Shopify layout and any updates to the interface, this might be near the middle or lower part of the page. So keep scrolling until you find it. In this section, you'll see toggles related to Google reCAPTCHA. These are built-in settings that help filter out automated bot activity on your storefront. You'll usually see two toggles here, covering areas like contact forms and customer login or account creation. Turn on both of these toggles. When they're enabled, Shopify will use Google's reCAPTCHA behind the scenes to detect suspicious activity. Most of the time, this works silently without bothering your genuine visitors, but it provides a valuable layer of protection against bots. After turning on the toggles, it's important to save your changes. Move to the top or bottom of the Preferences page and click the Save button. Give it a moment for Shopify to confirm that your settings have been updated. That's it. You've successfully enabled Google reCAPTCHA on your Shopify store using the built-in spam protection settings. This quick change can make a meaningful difference in keeping